The Malico Grand Ultra course is a 75-kilometer loop through Pangasinan's mountains. Traversing rugged terrain, it challenges runners with steep climbs, unpredictable weather, and some of the most stunning views in the country. Malico is composed mainly of the Kalanguya ethno-linguistics group, but everyone knows the Ilocano dialect. The costumes and traditions of the Kalanguya tribe are very much practiced and preserved by the barangay folks, although majority of them were converted to Christianity through the long years of missionary work of Pastor Dilbert Rice.
It feels nostalgic being in a school again. You know, those days of no worries, just wait for your classmates, hang out in a place like this, and avoiding some teachers because you didn't do your assignment.
Ito, nandito na. I caught you rolling off the rider sitting down at a rhythm review.
Malico, a mountain village in San Nicolas town, has an estimated altitude of about 1,675 meters above sea level. The awe-inspiring landscape and cool temperature give travelers the so-called breathing Baguio feel. The mountain has a trail named Verde. The Verde Trail begins in the foothills near Santa Maria and spans 43 kilometers to an elevation of over 1,500 meters along ridgelines large enough for only foot traffic and horses. Rustic as it may be, Malico's diverse history echoes tales of beauty and grandeur that add charm to the panoramic view of the place. With such magnificence of a luscious verdant site under the clear azure sky, the environs appeared like mesmerizing use of light and shade from a distance.
You know she wiggle like a glowworm, dance like a spinning top. She got a crazy partner, you ought to see him reel and rock. Long as she got a dime, the music won't never stop. I roll over Beethoven, 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 dig to the rhythm and blues.
AS1, Stuart, Ronald.
Internet ka. Crystal clear.
Minus 338 po. Yun yung talagang ano din.
Sir Robert, mag-ano lang muna.
Hey, we got lost a bit earlier, so with detour. Now we're just taking it easy. We're now at kilometer 20. And from here to the next aid station is 12 kilometers away. It's pretty flat.
11.
Yeah, we're still in the dark, so taking it easy. We just had to slow a bit downhill earlier because it's 5 kilometers downhill of road, which we hate. And because of my knee problem, I had to, conserve effort. Here we are, lots of river crossings. It's actually pretty deep. Ooh, strong current. Oh shit. Okay, time to turn the GoPro off. Ooh, technical. Because this is slant and the water's over here, the other side, and you don't want to fall there.
The fruitful darkness is all around us. In blue.
Internet ka.
Lodi talaga, oh. Lodi, oh. Grabe siya.
Dark.
Came to the next station and 734 game.
Wala pa nakakamuwi ito.
Bye, Domino. Okay. ES4, 1 ES left. And legs are hurting. Crawling our way. Still dark. We still have
Goodness, it's still dark.
brutal uphills and one long, gnarly downhill to the finish. Things we do, huh? Here, finally is almost sunrise.
Number ano ka? May trabaho ka?
Okay, first light. Our first view after 12 hours. After 50 plus km. Okay, you're the gang.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning, we're wrecked. 50 plus km, 12 hours.
Last 16.
Last 16 horrific kilometers. 18?
Yeah.
Damn you.
Ikaw, RD, ba't di masobra to ha? Susumbong ka sa court. Sorry. Receiver.
Okay, finally, light. We let the boys go because it's time for us to document this. 12 hours of darkness, it's not exactly fun. so lots of thoughts the whole time. So now, time for us to take videos. We're finally get to see foliage and landscape.
I'm turning with a bow. They're calling for the big one, and there's no way around it. And I'm shaken by the coming of the storm. Red sky in the morning, sailor be warm. I'm bearing a shameful load.
So we came from there. Now we came all the way down there. You might see someone over there. But now we're back up here. Yep, a long way to go.
Still a long way. Hardly up to there.
Now I'm howling. Well, I'm howling with the gales.
We are 11.9 kilometers away from the finish line. We're still headed up Mount Valdez, but I think we'll make it through. We really loaded on a lot of water just to make sure we don't get dehydrated.
I'm bearing a shameful load. I'm bearing my way back somewhere called home. Fate, she comes on the cold wind blows. Foresee me to know who is the real Cousteau. I'm bearing a shameful load, bearing my way back somewhere called home.
So this is really it. Summit.
Foresee me to know who is the real Cousteau.
Downhill now from the summit, and it's so steep. Still going downhill, and we're running out of fluids. See, look how exposed it is. Last 7.5 km. So that's the long downhill. It's gnarly, steep.
Slippery.
1200, yeah, it's slippery, technical. 1200 meter drop. Gnarly. Last 6 km and we are marching on. It's just too hot. We think there's a river, so got some fluids. And we have an uphill. Jesus. Ain't life grand.
That will mean our bodies will never touch my soul. If you are afraid.
Last 3 kilometers and can't seem to find our strength to my strength to run it even if it's flat. I'm just so depleted. Okay, here we are, the school finish line. We just walk and walk, so tired.
Darling, don't be scared.